Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this continuous motorized accurate blaster gun. So 14 and older. It's a do-it-yourself model. So let's go ahead and check it out, see what you guys get. All right guys, where do we start? So this is the gel blaster gun itself. So the hopper was already put on. Pretty nice looking. This is the battery, so definitely a heavy duty battery, and that just connects right underneath there, right on your stock. Here's your charger for the battery, safety glasses. Here's your housing for your ammunition. Here is a grip, so you would put this right here. That goes right on there. Manual and tons of ammo and targets. Let's go ahead and test this out. So guys, your on-off switch is right here. So it's right there for your on-off switch. And check this out, guys. Pretty awesome. So guys, this is how it would go on. Your ammo. So when it jams, if it jams like that and doesn't shoot, you just shake it a little bit and then it will shoot. So this one jams a little more than other ones that I've used. So this is, I would say, kind of your typical gel blaster. Your typical gel blaster jams. So what you do is, as you're shooting, just watch what I do. You kind of shake it as you're shooting. That opens it back up. So yeah, you know, it does jam like your typical one. A really good gel blaster barely jams, maybe once in a great while, but most jam. So if you find one that doesn't jam that much, then you found a really good brand. So this one's jamming. It's gonna be fun.